device data is sent to our system.
Hop. Mana hozir o'sha mana shu narsa bo'ladi deyapti. Mana rasmda ko'rsatib qo'ygan. Hop. 16 talik soketi bor ekan. 16 talik o'sha ma'lumot kiradigani. Bu tomondagi esa digital o'sha kompyuterda tilga o'tkazib berar ekan, programmalar shaklida. Kompyuterda ko'rinar ekan shu narsalar.
Besides that, there are multiple third-party devices that you can synchronize with our platform. So it's a multimodal data acquisition approach. You can attach, for example, wearable devices like this small ring that records pulse, ECG, electrodermal activity, skin temperature, and there's also a built-in 3-axial accelerometer.
Hop. Bu faqat o'sha ikkita narsaga emas, uchinchi narsani ham qo'shsa bo'lar ekan. Ya'ni o'sha misol uchun qo'lingizga taqmoqchi bo'lgan yoki o'zi pulslari ko'rsa bo'lar ekan sizda. Xuddi o'sha uchinchi narsani ham qo'shsangiz bo'ladi. Faqat kirib turib chiqib ketadigan narsa emas-ku, shu uchinchi narsani ham qo'shsangiz bo'ladi deydi.
You can also attach whole head caps for EEG recording and FNIRS recording. FNIRS is functional near-infrared spectroscopy from the whole head. It's a brain imaging technique. So you can also record activation on the cortex.
Well, what was this thing's name?
It is EEG and FNIRS. FNIRS is functional near-infrared spectroscopy.
Well, EEG bilan FNIRS degan o'sha mana bu instrument bor ekan. Bu xuddi o'sha miyani analiz qilar ekan, o'sha miyada nima bo'lyapti. Buni ham bunga tiqib turib, mana o'zini software bor ekanda, buni o'zini programmasi bor ekan. Xuddi o'sha programmasida o'sha miyani ham shu ko'rsa bo'lar ekan.
We do provide also eye trackers, wearable and remote eye trackers, with which you can detect the position of the eye gaze of the participant.
Hop. O'sha eye tracker degan narsani ham berishar ekan bunaqa. O'sha patsientda hali ko'zini
It is tracking the position of the eye gaze. We know exactly where someone is looking at, how long he's fixating on a particular object. I have some videos that show that.
Buni videosi ham bor ekan. Bu narsa nimaga? Buni toqqandan keyin o'sha patsient misol uchun qancha vaqt davomida bitta joyga qarab turibdi. O'sha eye tracking ekanda bu. Ko'zda o'sha linsini barqarorligini ko'rar ekan. Misol uchun bitta nuqtaga qancha vaqt qarayapti. Ko'zda qancha vaqt qilyapti. Buncha hamma ma'lumotlarni, ko'z ma'lumotlarini